Hello and welcome to Felicia Christian TV. Today we're going to learn how to make bath bombs. So as you can see, these are the ingredients here. You will need a half a cup of baking soda, a fourth of a cup of citric acid, a fourth of a cup of cornstarch, a fourth of a cup of Epsom salt or sea salt, 3 tablespoons of either castor oil or vegetable oil, food coloring or soap coloring, and an essential oil of your choice. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to mix all of the dry ingredients in a bowl. And as you can see, I have 2 bowls here because you need to do both the dry ingredients by itself and then the wet ingredients by itself. So after you mix your dry ingredients, you're going to mix your wet ingredients, and then you're going to slowly add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients as you see me doing here. Just a few drops at a time is all you need to do, because what you don't want to do is activate your bomb before you finish making your bath bomb. So you slowly add those ingredients so that you can get the color that you want, and so that those ingredients can be added without activating all of the ingredients that you have put together. So once you have mixed everything all together, the next thing that you're going to do is, as you can see, I'm giving it a good mix here. But then after that, you're going to take your mold. Oh, that was another thing that you needed. You need a mold. And as you can see, I am packing the mold tightly. So I actually found soap molds, but there are Christmas ornaments that look like this that you can get that will possibly be cheaper. I bought a pack of 3 for $3.99. So this is me the next day. You tap around, and you don't have to use a little hammer. I just have a little one. You just tap around the whole the mold, and then you slowly pull it apart, and then you have it. You have your soap bomb. It's that easy. Look at my mouth. Oh my gosh, I am such a goofball. So anyway, you have your bomb. So here it is. It's beautiful. Something that you can do that's quick and easy, and a good gift. If you like this, please like and subscribe and comment below. Thank you, and I will see you next time.